Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all sorts of things. I also like to vlog vacations and I like to vlog and review food around the world. I also keep forgetting to say hauls. I like to do hauls. Oh well, you guys will figure it out. One of these days I'll figure it out. Who knows? Today I have for you Lola Beauty Box. This is a monthly subscription. God, I get so many boxes. I don't know what it is anymore. I'll put it on the screen. Couple of quick disclaimers. I have a giveaway going on. I'll link that down below. I also have an announcement for a future giveaway. I'll link that down below. And we are in my birthday month, so we'll see how uploads go this month. So opening this up, and of course it's stuck. Get a card, and this is May's box, or at least it should be May's box. It doesn't actually say on here, it just says spring is the time to bloom. The products are on the back, but I'm not going to look at that quite yet. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So the first thing I am pulling out here is a brush, a really pretty brush. I am definitely going to keep that, so I will open it up. This brush is by IBY, and it's a Radiant Glow multitasking brush for $10. And this is, again, what it looks like outside of the packaging. The bristles are really, really soft. I like that. That's nice. The next thing I am pulling out of here is a Moria Makeup Melting Milky Cleanser. That's a mouthful. Okay, so this retails for $10. Oh, that's not expensive at all. I'm looking at this box and I'm like, dang, that's gotta be expensive. And so that's what that looks like. It is all safety sealed up, so I'm not going to open it just because I have a bunch of facial cleansers that I need to get through. The next thing I am pulling out here is a Bella Pierre Cosmetic Cheek and Lip Stain that retails for $20, and it's in coral. Okay, so, so that's what it looks like. It is a cream product, so I will pass that along. I don't really, well, coral for one is not my color. It's like probably the only color in the entire spectrum that I can't wear. So it's not gonna look good on my lips, and I don't think I would wear it on my cheeks just because it's a cream color. So the next thing I am pulling out is Lord & Berry Shodo Liner, and it retails for $25, and it is in Intense Black, and it looks like that. And it is a felt tip, so let's take a peek at this. Okay, so I had to go over that twice. I don't know. Oh, it does. It needs shaken. So let me do that. And let's try that again. Oh, much better. Okay, so that is that right there. And I will keep that because I need a new felt tip black liner, I think. Maybe. And the next thing I am seeing here is a Beauty Creations Floral Bloom Eye Bloom palette for $14.99, and that's what that looks like. Let's look at this and see what we've got going. Ooh, that's pretty. The plastic just fell out into my lap. And that's what that looks like. Now it is a pretty neutral palette, but I do like these glitters. Let's swatch a couple of these. Spring Fling. Oh, that's really pretty. Poppy. Those are really soft. Petal. Those two look very similar. But Petal has more glitter in it and Spring Fling is more of just a shimmer. And let's see, let's look at Rosebud. Those are really pretty. And let's do a matte Floret. It's very peach. Let me put this on my hand. And that's what that looked like. So that's not bad. I will definitely keep this and I will give it a go. I mean, I'm not incredibly excited about the colors, but it's a pretty palette. So we'll see how it goes. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.